Hello, Joe here. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use your Luvele Supreme Plus vacuum sealer with your fresh vacuum container set. We have our Supreme Plus plugged in ready to go, and we have our vacuum container filled with almonds ready to vacuum seal. Grab your included hose connector and insert one end into the canister port, making sure you press down firmly. Once you have filled your container, place the stainless steel lid on and press down firmly into position. Make sure that the air release valve is sitting flat as well. Now we're ready to vacuum seal our container. To do this, make sure the easy lock handle is in the lock position. The lights will switch on, indicating it's ready to vacuum seal. Place the open end of the hose connector over the air release valve and hold down for a couple of seconds while we press the canister button. Once the container has been vacuum sealed, the vacuum sealer will automatically switch off. Then simply remove the hose connector and your glass container is vacuum sealed, ready for storage. Thanks for stopping by, and I hope that was helpful. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more product demos and regular healthy recipes. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.